Hello, welcome. My name's Naomi. Today we are going to do 7 minutes of mindful breathing alongside some beautiful sound. So this breath is called the resolution breath. So you want to be sitting in a beautiful seated position. So I'd recommend sitting on a cushion or a bolster or something just to lift your hips above your knees. And what that's going to do is that's going to help you to elongate your spine and open your chest so that you can get more breath in, and you can just really feel the breath coming all the way down into your stomach. So you've got a hand mudra for this one. So you're going to place your right fingers over your left as so, and just tuck your elbows into your chest and have your hands in front of your chest just like this. So you've got a little cup, and you'll be inhaling through your nose and you'll be exhaling out through your mouth with quite a powerful exhale through pursed lips, just really allowing that air to really go out with a little bit of force so you feel the cool air in the palms of your hands. This is a really cleansing and clearing breath. So bring yourself into the position that you feel comfortable. Close your eyes gently. And just before you start to breathe, I just want you to bring your mind and attention to an intention for your breath today. This is a cleansing and clearing breath. So what do you need to cleanse? What do you need to clear? What are you holding on to which isn't serving you anymore? Bring an intention to your breath, to this practice. What are you releasing today? And bringing your hands into the position with your right fingers wrapped over your left, making a little cup, tucking your elbows into your chest and bringing your hands in front of your chest, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through pursed lips into the palms of your hands, feeling your breath in the palms of your hands. This breath is cleansing, clearing, detoxifying. So bring in your focus and attention to any stagnant energies, anything that's not serving you, thoughts, patterns, beliefs, stories, old stories that you are in a feedback loop. You keep repeating. Whatever it is that you are ready to release from your mind, from your body, bring it to mind, and as you exhale, just visualize this leaving your body, cleansing, clearing, letting go of all that is not serving you. And as you inhale, you may want to visualize just bringing in new love, light, intention. You can visualize a white or a golden light coming in to cleanse and clear, assisting the healing process of this powerful breath. So just really allowing yourself to fully feel your breath. How does it feel to breathe like this? Allowing yourself this time and space, the awareness next exhale. And just bringing both hands in to your heart. Just allowing yourself a few moments, some time and space to just explore where the breath took you. What came up for you? What are you letting go of today? What was your intention? And then when you're ready, you can gently flutter open your eyes and then take a meaningful breath in through your nose into your heart space and feel the expansion of love in your heart and gratitude for yourself for showing up for these precious 7 minutes of sound. Have an amazing day and I will see you soon.